Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. It's Cars and Collectibles. So today we actually have a really cool Hot Wheels collector set, and it is a Walmart exclusive. And I've been looking for this set for the longest time, and I found a couple of them in, like, there's 6 cars in the whole set. Found a couple of some Walmarts. I drove all over the city looking at, I don't even know how many Walmarts I went to, just an insane amount. And I could not find the entire set. It went day after day after day, and I could not find them. So I ended up having to order some online, but I do want to show those off in this video. And I do want to mention that some of these cars I did find duplicates, and there will be a link in the description down below. You guys can hop onto my merch store. I have a bunch of Hot Wheels on there. I recently do case unboxings like this new 2024 B case, and I do have a bunch of those duplicates on my website as well. But some cards from this collector set I actually do have on there as individuals. So if you guys are interested, link in the description down below. Go check them out. But let's go ahead and get started with checking out some of these cars. So first up we have the Porsche 935. And this is the blue car from the set. And obviously there's a little German stripe that says Porsche there. And this car looks absolutely amazing. I will not be opening this set in this video. However, I did get some that were like damaged when I found them in the stores. Cracked blisters, creased cards, and they were really rough shape. Actually, while we're on the topic of cards, if you look at it from the side profile, you can kind of see how it's like wavy. They actually came from Mattel like that. They were all in the cases, and every single one kind of has like this like wavy curve. But there were some that I did find that actually had like legit creases in them. So this was one of them, and I went ahead and opened it up for my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. So that's what the car looks like, and it looks absolutely amazing. Also hit that subscribe button because I actually have done some races already and included some of these Porsches from this set. And those wheels are like a new style, and there's the bottom if you were curious. But I think this looks absolutely insane. Just gonna put that right there in front of it. Next up, we have the Porsche, the 1989 Porsche 944 Turbo, which is the black car. Like every car from the set has like a different kind of color theme, and I think that looks absolutely amazing. And there's the text there at the bottom. And also, I do have this one already opened up as well. Same story. I did find a few different models that were already kind of damaged, and I went ahead and opened them so I can race them on the 6-lane raceway because I really wanted to be able to feature some of those. And this looks absolutely incredible as well. Let me just set these down out of the way here. And next up we have the Porsche 718 Cayman GT4. And also this one looks really, really cool. A lot of attention to detail. And fortunately and unfortunately, I did find one of these damaged as well in the stores. So, boom, got that right there, and it looks really, really nice. And then right there it has the Bilstein kind of little logo on the side, and that looks incredible. Also, that wing is metal, and it's a different color, so it's kind of interesting how they did that, but I think it looks really good. And it even has a metal bottom. So this is a metal on metal. However, it's not advertised as such on the card, but it is a full metal car. And the next car in the lineup is the 1971 Porsche 911, and I think this one looks really good as well. The card looks cool too, but the wheels look really nice on this one, kind of like a throwback to like the old school design. But also, this is an old school car, so of course it's going to have those. And I did find one of these damaged as well, so we actually do get to check that out. The stripes look really good. I love the front end of these older cars. The way the fenders are just so pronounced there. And then this looks really good with like the stripes. And on the back it does say Porsche going across the top on top of like the stripe as well. And it also does have a metal bottom. So it's kind of interesting that some of these are metal on metal. But let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of these. And I do only have 4 that are opened up. I still do not have the other 2 that I found damaged. And if I do, I will gladly open those up because I want to be able to race all 6 of these cars on the 6-lane raceway. But we do have the carded versions. So we have the Porsche 356 Speedster, and that looks absolutely incredible as well. And has a red interior, obviously the open top, old school wheels, the red stripe with the Porsche text right in there. And this looks absolutely amazing. I really love this car, and even says Porsche on the back, and kind of like some gold font. And it also does have a metal bottom. It's not painted like the other two, but it is still a metal on metal construction. So I really want to find one of these damaged. Like, it sounds really bad to say, but I think it'll be kind of cool to add one of these to the 6-lane raceway. And since it's so short and streamlined, I'm curious to see if that would actually do really well on the track. So this is one of the harder to find ones, I believe, because like the rest of these, there's like in the stores, you see a bunch of the blue ones, and there were like a lot more in each case. With some previous Hot Wheels sets, they did like complete sets in cases. With this set, there was a chase car, so not every case had the final car. So that's kind of why it's almost impossible to be able to go to stores, find the entire set, or one person goes and they find like the chase car, they buy all of them, and then obviously nobody else can get them. But when it comes to that final car, I did purchase this online. I really wanted one, and I didn't want to have to like never get the opportunity. So I went ahead and got it. It's the Porsche 914-6, and this is the green chase car, and this is the one that like everybody's looking for, and the values of these have skyrocketed like significantly because it is a chase car, kind of like a treasure hunt type for this set. These are extremely hard to find and very, very, very hard to get a hold of. And people are asking crazy prices for these as well. This one does look pretty cool. And also it does have a metal bottom. So it is a matte black bottom. So out of all these, the 935 and the 944 are the only two that have plastic bottoms. The other four actually all have metal bottoms, which is kind of interesting. But this one also does look cool with the green stripes there on the hood. Also the 914 is kind of like a smaller, like a little convertible open top. And it does look pretty cool. So I will have like a bunch of the duplicates, like the carded versions, such as like this one. And I mean, I will have these like in the card. And like I said, these all kind of have this kind of curvature to them. So I don't know if you can see the way the card is kind of like curved. They are not creased, but they are kind of have like a slight bend to them. But I think this set looks absolutely incredible. And I do want to line them up. So let's go ahead and take all of these cars, line them up in order. I believe this is the first car. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's actually going to wrap these around this way. And 5 and 6. Man, that looks absolutely amazing having all these lined up. And this is such a beautiful set. What I'm going to do with like the ones from my personal collection is I'm going to put them like in plastic protectors, because obviously I want to keep these protected. And since they do have like that curve kind of to like a lot of the cards, we'll hopefully flatten that out in the long term and kind of give it good pressure to kind of flatten out. But also out of this entire lineup, put down in the comments down below which one is your favorite. And if I do actually find another green one in the store, I do have all the other 5, but if I find another green one, I will have a complete set on my merch store. So definitely keep an eye out for that. I do have a lot of these other ones on the store already, so as this video is live, you can definitely go check them out. You guys can get some of these other individual ones, but like I said, if I do find a green one or I'm able to get like a whole set, I will be putting it on my merch store so that you guys can have an opportunity at getting all of these cards, because this set looks absolutely incredible. But like I said, put down in the comments down below which one of these is your guys' favorite. But if you guys did like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. And I do like case unboxings, a bunch of other Hot Wheel content, and I do some Mega stuff as well. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.